Welcome to Elizabeth Plants. I'm Elizabeth, and what you are about to see is the unboxing of a bamboo shelf. I want to preface this video by saying that this shelf was sent to me for free to do the video. It was, I was given an option between this and another shelf. I chose the bamboo shelf. So what you're about to see is me unboxing it, kind of giving it a once over, and then styling the shelf. If you want this same bamboo shelf, there will be a link in the description. I will also link in the description the other option that I had in case you have different taste or room size than I do. So yeah, without further ado, here's just a quick time lapse of the unboxing, creation, and then a once over of the styling that I did for the video. Enjoy! Alright, I finally styled and located my shelf. Let's take a look at it. First, peek at the cats. They are catching bugs through the window because they are good hunters. But because of the location, it's going to be kind of weird to film it. But I have a lot of really bright light plants on here, so it's right in front of the window. We'll go all the way down to the bottom. I actually don't have anything on that bottom shelf yet. I don't really have a low enough light anything, so I'm not really sure what to do with that one, considering that my window isn't there. But then I put a humidifier right here on this bottom shelf because the humidifier is always in the way, so it's actually perfect there. Then if we go up the right side, I've got this cactus stump here. I don't know if I'm even keeping this cactus stump, if it's even alive. So for now that's there. It may be replaced later. If we come over, I've got my main aloe parent, who's actually sprouting more babies, of course, and then 2 little pots of the babies. Then we come up here to the top right shelf, and I've got my little palm. So far, it's a good location. The cats have only tried to get to it once, without success, so seems pretty decent. Then if we come over here to the top left shelf, I've got my 2 variegated cacti and a couple other little aloe pots. So yeah, that's kind of the final setup for my shelf. And again, the location is right next to the window because it's got a lot of cacti and aloe on it. So that was my bamboo shelf unboxing, building, and styling video. If you like kind of plant decor type of videos, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below how you would style the shelf, where you would put the shelf, how you would make the shelf your own. Yeah, and subscribe if you want to see more houseplant content, more houseplant styling content, more planty content in general, and I will see you next time.